Hi, I'm Senator Shelley Moore Capito, and this is my weekly Senate update. This week, President Obama visited West Virginia to discuss the growing drug epidemic in America. His visit raised needed attention about the drug crisis in West Virginia that is harming our communities, our families, and our loved ones. Coincided with this visit, the President also announced several efforts to address prescription drug abuse and heroin use. These efforts include requiring federal health care professionals who prescribe controlled substances to be properly trained on opioid prescribing. The President also called for federal agencies to identify barriers to treatment and develop action plans for addressing these barriers. These are important steps to end substance abuse, improve access to treatment, and stem this mounting public health concern. Several of the administration's efforts enjoy bipartisan support, and some are already taking place in West Virginia. This problem is part of a larger discussion, and the President touched on that during his visit. Substance abuse issues intersect with economic issues. You can't ignore that when you come to a state like West Virginia, where our economy is struggling and has been especially hard hit in recent months. For months, I have worked with local communities, law enforcement, health professionals, and others to develop a spectrum of solutions to curb this epidemic. This is one of my top priorities, and I will continue working to stop the drug crisis in our state. For more news from my office, please visit www.capito.senate.gov. Thank you, and have a great weekend.